Amazon is planning to axe around 14,000 corporate jobs. The mass layoffs are expected as a part of the company's cost cutting drive, but are smaller than 30,000 jobs that are previously indicated to be removed. Beth, a senior executive in the e-commerce giant, broke the news to employees in a message on Tuesday. The restrictions we're sharing today are a continuation of this work to get even stronger by reducing bureaucracy, removing layers, and shifting resources to ensure we are investing in the biggest bets and what matters most to customers' current and future needs. He also did not give indication of what roles are being cut or where they are located. Many employees will be given 90 days to look for new jobs internally. Some may ask why reducing the roles when the company is performing well. He said that this generation of AI is the most transformative technology as we have seen since the internet, and it is enabling companies to innovate much faster than ever before. We are convinced we need to be more organized. He said Amazon expects to continue hitting hiring in key strategic areas in 2026 and will keep searching for areas to realize efficiency gains. Amazon's last major round of job cuts happened in end of 2022 and in 2023 when 27,000 workers were laid off.